That's the boss. That's the man right there. La-dee-da. Where are we at? Townhome subdivision. I mean, we cleaned out all that stuff over there previously. But as you see, nothing but marsh now. We've cut all this back. It's grown back already. Look, you see that back there? It's the water, ain't it? Big lake back there. Swamps. Something. Side by side. Side to side. As he pulls the auger out. That'll make the hole a little bit deeper. All right, that's good enough. Pick it up, brother. Here. That's a little heavy little something. So if you need a fence done, call us. You see we got the machine to do it. We can dig your hole. If that's what you want. The work never stops. No matter what. No matter who, the work never stops. Clean and Clear Services, 5-star rated for over 10 years. Undisputed. Do jobs right the first time. Not the second time, not the third time, like you contractors out there. We are not contractors, we are experts. There is a big difference. Thank you, audience. And we signing out. Clean and Clear Services. At your service. Whenever you call us, all you have to do is just pick up the phone and dial 678-389-7859. This has been brought to you 2019, July 22nd. And it's hot outside. Sun is shining. Clean and Clear Services is signing out. One hole at a time. All right, you good. Yep.
Let's take a mission.
Yeah, take a break.
You ready?
Yep. Yeah, you take.